Tinder launches Vibes quiz to increase chances of finding common interests. Tinder, the dating app, has launched a new feature called Vibes that gathers information about you through quizzes and matches you with people with similar answers. The Vibes quizzes are a way to exchange non-invasive information about people with common tastes. The quizzes will pop up once a week and ask an assortment of goofy questions, from blah 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 is not picnic food to are you always 20 minutes early or 10 minutes late. The vibes or answers will be displayed on the profile of members who participated for 72 hours. If there is a match, both users will be able to see each other's answers in their window. Every 48 hours, new questions are posted, and hence, if you want to participate again, then you are forced to answer the new set. It is a smart marketing tactic to get repeat engagement. Tinder has been testing the quizzes since last year, and it says they've increased likes and matches across the board, though no concrete numbers have been given about by how much they have increased. Your Tinder profile should be an authentic representation of yourself, and that often changes as you explore who you are, what you want, and what's happening around you. We built Vibes to help make profiles as dynamic as our members while giving them more to match on along the way, stated Udi Milo, VP Product at Tinder, in a press release. This is not similar to what OkCupid does with endless frivolous questions on its website, claims Tinder, as the questions are a fun way to get a little more information about your habits. Instead, it is more like trivia questions and matching people on said common interests. This is the first of many things we're creating for the Tinder community this year, so they can show off more of their personalities on the app, said Udi Milo. The feature starts rolling out today and will be available globally in late May. Tinder recently renewed Swipe Night, its in-app choose-your-own adventure-style series, for the second time, which will also be released soon. It is a weekly series, and in each episode, you have to swipe to select different options about paths and choices presented to you, and those decisions are added to your profile. It is aimed as a conversational starter to break the initial ice with potential matches. Entertainment has always been a human connector, said Ellie Seidman, Tinder CEO, in a statement. We couldn't be more thrilled to bring a new season of Swipe Night to Tinder this summer, and give our members another opportunity to form connections and start conversations. The first season of Swipe Night attracted millions of people, according to the app executives. Tinder claims the matches increased by 26% and conversation on the app by 12%.